What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's that time of the month again. It is November kit of the month from JR Models. This box kind of got destroyed, but let's hope everything arrives safe and sound, but we'll soon find out. This came on UPS, which is actually kind of different. But regardless, let's go ahead and see what we got. I kind of know what it is, but some of you might not know, some of you may know. But let's go ahead and see. Aha, there we go. We open it kind of correctly. Aha, whatever, look at that. We got our sticker. That's a Halloween sticker. That's very cool. Let's see, we got another Chevrolet decal sheet. And my box kind of got destroyed. But as you can see, it is a Richard Petty beauty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh, I don't have a Richard Petty Charger yet. So Richard Petty 1971 Charger Plymouth. Obviously, we all know this is the Roadrunner. Obviously, we probably couldn't get the license to say Roadrunner on our box, but not a big deal. But we all know it's a Roadrunner. But really cool. But yeah, just a really nice car, and this very highly anticipated kit. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Let's go ahead and see what kind of extra decals we got. We got a Halloween sticker for the kit of the month sticker. This is actually really cool. We got a pumpkin in there with some spider webs in there. Oh, that's really cool. Good time for the month. Then let's see what we got for the free stuff. Do we get 2 sheets? What's we got? 2 sheets. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Wow, that's actually insane. Okay, so it's a 2-piece. Who is the driver for this? Okay. That is actually, I've never seen this decal sheet, unless I'm just tripping. But I'm going to put a picture of the car on your screen if I can find it. Of course, it is a Chevrolet, so we got the Chevrolet decal sheet. Of course, as typical, that's actually a really cool decal sheet. I've never even seen this one before. It kind of looks like a Halloween decal sheet, to be honest. I mean, this is actually really cool. I'm really curious on the car, what the car looks like, because I have no idea what this car looks like. Obviously, it is a JR's kit, so, but this is actually really cool. And you know, like I said, the Builders Club, you're getting a decal sheet or 2 for free, which is really cool. So back to the Richard Petty 1971 Dodge Charger Roadrunner Plymouth. It's such a really iconic car. Richard Petty, I know he dominated in this particular car. This one, I think he won multiple races with this paint scheme or this particular car. Just a really a legend of the NASCAR history of this body style. And man, Richard Petty definitely took care of that, and he basically showed, you know, he basically showed it all off, and it's just incredible what he did to this car. So of course we got our clear parts in here, and there we go. There's our Petty blue Roadrunner body. Oh, this is really cool. I don't have a Roadrunner NASCAR in my stash. This is my first one actually, so really cool. I believe this one is designed, yes it is, designed by Jim over at JR Models. Really cool. And of course you do have your door panels there, because again, they were still using road legal body styles. This one's actually kind of very shallow, so I might have to spread it out a little bit, but very cool. Absolutely really nice body style. I love it when they mold these open, so that means you can put a 3D printed one in there for more detail. So that's really nice, but the body is in incredible shape. I believe we have treaded tires, which we do, because again, at the 1970s, they're still racing these cars in like a clay sort of dirt racetrack. So that's really cool. So we got some treaded tires. They're very hard vinyl. And of course, we do have our basically aluminum trees, which is really cool. So yeah, like aluminum silver tree. So really nice. You do have to paint some stuff, but most of it is, you know, we have to paint it, which is really cool. but you know me, I paint my stuff anyways. And then of course we got our Richard Petty blue, you want to call it. There is our front grille. I believe that's the one we are going to be using right there. That's really cool. And of course there's different versions for different years and different body styles. I believe that's the hood we are using. Hood pins are molded in, not too big a deal if you want to put an actual one, so we'll just sand those out. But really nice. There's some interior pieces. I believe the interior is Petty blue as well. There's our metal axle. And then there is that frame. You probably saw me do an unboxing video on this particular frame. I unboxed the Monte Carlo, was it? Or the Charger. I did an unboxing on the Charger. And they use this basically same chassis. There's different locating pins under here, which you locate that pin, and you can get your different ride height, or different wheelbase on these chassis. So very cool. And then of course you got your different wheels. I believe these are wheels to be using, and just there's the wheels. Really awesome. A lot of parts in these kits, and this entire kit is designed by Jim over at J Models. Of course, we got our instruction sheet. Instruction sheet is always really high quality. Here is our decal placement, and look at this decal. If you want to get into NASCAR, but you're not really so sure you want to do decals, or you're not a big fan of decals, this is gonna be a relatively easy decal sheet for you to deal with, because there's no sharp corners. Literally, only decals is just the small little sponsors. I mean, literally only this part. I mean, really awesome, and you can definitely get through it no problem. Then we got our typical instruction sheet from J Models. Really high quality paper, super high quality paper. I mean, this is really nice. And then I'll show you the decal sheet, and there she is. Look at that. Really nice. You got our Goodyear decals for the tires. Of course, we got roll sponsors. Famous 43. You got Pepsi. We got Plymouth by Petty. That's cool. And then it looks like these are like stitching patterns for the seat, which is actually really cool. Clay did an amazing job, and looks like you got some kind of venting there. This is a dark blue for the hood. You can kind of see the vents on there kind of molded in, which is pretty cool. We got our dash gauge cluster decals. There's our hood pin decals. We want to put those on there. Really cool. And just the power side decals, Cartograph is just amazing decal company. I mean, the smallest decals, you can even read that. I mean, look how small those decals are, and you can read every single one. It's insane. You can even see how fast a car could go, or not fast. Well, yeah, the RPMs on that. Just really cool. Amazing decal sheet, and this is it. And I'll prove to you how small it is. We'll get compare it next to the standard decal sheet for the black decal sheet, and it's literally almost the same size. Just a little bit bigger, but not bad. I mean, it's literally the same size as the black decal sheets for the Camaros and Toyotas and Fords and stuff. But very cool, very nice decal sheet. And then yeah, the entire kit is wonderful and just a really iconic car. But other than that, guys, I will be having an unboxing video on this here shortly, probably this upcoming Monday. So stay tuned to the channel for that. And I am on vacation right now, so this video is actually being pre-recorded and it is scheduled. I am actually going to Las Vegas, which is really cool. So yeah, so I got some videos pre-recorded and scheduled for you guys for that time of the day. I know Acme is this weekend as well, so that's pretty cool. But other than that, guys, enjoy your rest of your week and weekend, and until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.